In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Samsung phone as Wi-Fi hotspot. So, if your Samsung phone data is turned on and you want your friends and family to be able to connect to your phone data using hotspot, as you can see, my mobile hotspot is turned on. If I click on this and hold it, I will be taken to the list of devices that are connected to my Samsung Wi-Fi hotspot. At the moment, I have two devices connected, and the first one is my Redmi Note 12 and Samsung TV. And you can see my network name, the password, and the band. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use your Samsung phone as Wi-Fi hotspot. So the first thing you want to do is go to your Samsung phone settings, scroll down and click on connections, click on mobile hotspot and tethering, then tap mobile hotspot. Once you click on that, you'll be taken to this page. Now tap on your network name. Here, you'll be able to rename your Samsung phone. Here in this case, you can see I have this Xiaomi's Galaxy A54 5G, and then type in your Wi-Fi hotspot password. So this is the Wi-Fi hotspot password other devices we use to connect to your Samsung phone. Now click on band. Make sure you select 2.4 GHz. If you select 5 GHz, all other devices that is not up to 5 GHz will not be able to connect to your Samsung Wi-Fi hotspot. So choosing 2.4 GHz will allow devices with 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz features to be able to connect to your Samsung Wi-Fi hotspot. And once that is selected, then you can just click on the advanced feature to see more. Then scroll down and make sure you turn off when no device is connected for, and then choose whether 5 minutes, 10 minutes, or 20 minutes. So if your Samsung Wi-Fi hotspot is enabled and no device is connected to it, your Samsung hotspot will turn off automatically. So in this case, let's go with 5 minutes. And once that is set, tap on this saving button at the bottom right. Once you hit the save button, then come back, swipe down your Samsung phone notification tray just like this, and tap on hotspot. Now, take the other device that you want to use to connect your Samsung device Wi-Fi hotspot. Just swipe down like this, and make sure you click on and hold hotspot. Tap on the more settings. Once you hit the more settings, you'll be taken to where your device can search for available Wi-Fi. In this case, you can see I have my Samsung Galaxy Wi-Fi hotspot name. Click on that, and then you'll be prompted to type in the password. Go ahead and type in your Wi-Fi hotspot password. Once you're done, click on the connect button. If this password is correct, you'll be able to connect to the Wi-Fi hotspot from your Samsung device. Now you can see you've already connected to this Wi-Fi password on your device. So this is how to use Samsung phone as Wi-Fi hotspot. If you find this really interesting, you want to hit the button, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quality videos just like this.